planning. Development and use of land and/or buildings is strictly controlled in England and Wales and is governed by the Town and Country Planning Act 1990. In advising their client, a buyer's solicitor will need to take account of the planning legislation which affects the use of the property in which his client is interested. Of particular concern in relation to the property being purchased will be building works, change of use, and the existing planning permissions affecting the property. Planning law restricts certain types of development where the consent of the local authority has not been obtained. In this context, development means the carrying out of building, engineering, mining or other operations on land, or any material change of use of any building or the land.